Hello guys, today I'm playing Animal Hospital but exposing my friend too. Oh my gosh, and I know Animal Hospital is not on the top trending, but I've been working on this video a lot. And I know I change my CapCut voice a lot, but now I'll use this one. Okay, so one time my friend named Jocelyn was bullying my friend Mina. And she's only nice to me. Them to try and patch things up, and they did. And then we had a blast having a forgiving party. A few days later, on the 6th of July, Mina decided to make a YouTube channel, her alt basically. And she putted her bio as,
"Hi, I'm like Sanrio and subscribe to Pluto Smilkwai."
Then Jocelyn found out that she didn't include her. Then Jocelyn got really angry, so she putted her bio as,
Hi, I hate Mina. She is so rude to me, and report her username is Alina because she didn't let me.
like bro, everyone will think you're a 7-year-old. And then once Mina told me to block and report her, and I agreed. After that, me and Mina were deciding to make an expose video.
And before that, she changed her bio to support her, but as soon as we blocked her, she changed it again, not including her. I'm happy she doesn't exist in our site anymore.
Okay, I know I went off topic. Here's the rest. Emmy and Mina decided to find a new girl for a new trio. Hopefully that next one is bad like Jocelyn. Back to exposing.
Jocelyn is so annoying and accuses people for no reason. She acts nice on YouTube, but in reality she's just a bum.
She's a crusty, musty, dusty rat. I need some coffee so I can get more sanity. My god, I have to wait. Oh my god, does it have to take 10,000 hours just for a patient to arrive? Never mind, there is one. "17 more seconds, yeah. Oh, it's the doctor."
Hurry up, you little biggie backy, with that dummy dum-dum suitcase of yours.
Yeses. Finally, I can get some. We have been playing with Jocelyn since December.
I knew that Mina was right. She said once Jocelyn was acting weird, gotta no wonder I didn't believe here in the first place until now.
Great thing. I'm doing excellent. No. Is it just me or did he twitch his head?
No!
We are rejecting this dude. Sorry, MR anomaly. My gosh. Guys, tell me in the comments who the best YouTuber is and is like such a player. Just like Mina said. Hi Ron. Hurry up, Biggie Backy with the bacon hair.
They call you Big Back, Big Back, Big Back, Big Back. Yeah, my back is loaded up with snacks and different foods.
Yes, we don't like Jocelyn anymore. Roblox user is @Jocelyn10, and for YouTube.it think it was @Marintalian or something. She deserves to be treated like this. I'm doing to user, not to friend her. It's to report her.
Oh, I hate her so much. We are gonna do one more patient, then I'm ending this video. No, hurry up, big back.
Come in, Pookie.
Here's some music so you're not bored.
Hitting me is like volume 2. Let's do it tonight. Go build a bulletproof a break in your finger. Thank you for the comments, it's because of all your hate. I am iconic by mistake. I am iconic by mistake.
Don't stomp on her.
Do you like donuts? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like juice? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like donut juice? No, I don't. Yucky.
Don't stomp on him again.
Do you like
4 drops
popcorn?
and a medkit. Gotcha.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like pizza?
Someone already did it.
Yes.
Slay. A.A.A.A.A.E.H. Bye guys.